Here I've opened the box and you can see their little catalog with Maria Shriver on the cover. Coupon for America's #1 meal kit, and that is for HelloFresh. On the back is take a moment for yourself. Get started with your first box. You can share this with someone. And now I'm going to open the box. Ooh, the makeup eraser. I have one of these already, and they're actually a lot of fun. I've used this before. The makeup eraser, basically it helps take up all your makeup. Erase all makeup with just water. And let's see what else. Ahava. Dead Sea salts, natural Dead Sea bath salts. There are a pair of slippers in here, which I can always use slippers because I go through slippers like crazy. And hopefully these are sized up to 11, because that's what I asked for. Again, medium large in gray. And there is Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakery. Hold on one second and I'll open that up. Here is the Proof is in Pudding from Beauty Bakery. The eyeshadow palette, as you can see, it's a gorgeous bunch of neutrals. And there's a nice reddish brown in there that I like. I always love neutral eyeshadows. You can never have enough of those. Never have enough neutral eyeshadows. And there's especially that gorgeous mango pudding eyeshadow color right here. Right there. That's gorgeous. I love that color. And the butterscotch over here. Nana pudding right here. Warm cocoa. Almond jelly. Rice pudding. Chia pudding. And bread pudding. And then there's spiced caramel right there. Here is a necklace, or it looks like a necklace. It's Adore, which is available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and AdoreJewelry.com. It says Stuck and Sparkle. And it says Adore Signature Organic Circle Bracelet. It's a bracelet. A circle bracelet is beautifully crafted with an asymmetrical shape featuring rose gold, which is my favorite. I always wear rose gold plating, and a Swarovski crystal. Puccio Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom salt hand and body wash in lavender oil, or with lavender oil. Daily cleansing ritual, as you can see. Here, see it says yoga. Calm and clean, Epsom salt hand and body wash. And daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. I love anything that with lavender oil. Lavender always makes you smell. This is nice. This is Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Goat milk is very nice because it's very soothing and calming. This looks nice. It's called Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar. I can always use some of that because my hair tangles like crazy because I have chemical coloring on it and highlighting on it, so it's always very tangled. So I can definitely use a detangler on it. And let me see what else is there. That was it, as you can see. That was it. So that was all. That was a lot of stuff for the FabFitFunWinter 2019 box. So anyway, I think there was a lot of nice stuff in there, and I can't wait to see what I get in the next box. Thanks. Bye.